Hi, this is ZTE A72s and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So open first control panel and here you'll see some of the available options. To add them or to remove them, we should just tap to edit icon. And here you'll see this down section with invisible options. Just to add them to your panel, you should hold the icon and drag it to the subsection. To remove some of them from here, by the same way, hold it and drag it to the down section. And if you want to change the positions of the icons here on the panel, you should just hold it and drag it by the same way. So let's just save the changes. You should click to go back and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.